Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this easy crochet beanie hat, and it looks a lot like knitting. It's very quick and easy. It's a unisex style, great for men, women, boys and girls, all sizes from 5 years to adult. So let's get started. I post crochet videos on Tuesday and Friday and other videos in between. You can slow down your videos to a very slow speed by clicking on the gear icon below the video. You can find all my patterns in my Ravelry store, over 2,000 patterns there, and many of them are free, or on my Etsy site. HectaFavorites is my name there, and I have approximately 700 patterns there. I'm working with 2 strands of worsted weight yarn and a 6.5mm crochet hook. Start with a slip knot. Chain the following number of stitches. When you have your chain the correct number, work a half double crochet in the 3rd stitch from the hook. 1, 2, 3. To make a half double crochet, yarn around the hook, insert into the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through. You'll have 3 loops on the hook. Pick up the yarn, pull it through all 3 loops on the hook. You're going to go ahead and half double crochet in each stitch all the way across the row. Half double crochet. All the way across the row. Okay, I worked all the way across the row. Chain 2, 1, 2, and turn. Now we're not going to work in these 2 stitches. We're going to work in the back loop. Half double crochet in each stitch across the row, working only in the back side of the stitch. In the back side of the stitch. And that will leave these loops, so you'll know you're in the right stitch if you see these 2 loops on the front and you work into the back side of the stitch. So there's the front, turn it, work into the back side of the stitch. Repeat all the way across the row. Like that. And you can see that you see those loops on the front side of the work. And at the end of the row, your last stitch is that turning chain. So find the back side and work your last half double crochet. And you're just going to keep repeating that row over and over until the work will wrap around the head. So chain 2 and turn. Now we're going to leave these loops open, so we're going to turn it. We're going to work into the back side of the stitch, working a half double crochet in each stitch all the way across the row. And you're going to keep repeating this row over and over. Like this. So you're just going to keep working row after row until the work is long enough to wrap around the head, like that. And then you're going to fold the work in half and slip stitch to form a tube. Insert through a stitch on one side and a stitch on the other side and slip stitch. In through one stitch on one side, into a stitch on the other side and slip stitch. Like that, all the way down. Like that, I've gone ahead and slip stitched all the way down. And that has formed a tube. And now I'm going to thread this yarn end into a needle, and I'm going to weave through the top and close up the top of the hat. Like that. Now pull together the top of the hat and close it up. Take a few stitches to secure it. And then weave the yarn end back and forth into the finished work. Now you can turn the hat right side out. And there's the finished hat. And it's crochet, but it looks a lot like knitting. And then, if you like, you can add a pom-pom. And this is a crocheted pom-pom. And I will add a link below on how to crochet pom-poms. So you can add a pom-pom on the top. And this is another crocheted pom-pom. You can add a pom-pom to the top of the hat. And there you go. That's how easy it is to crochet these knit look hats. This hat was crocheted with one strand of a more bulky yarn. If you like this video, please click like, as it helps in the YouTube algorithm.